Wow, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm gonna do a comparison between Gillette blade with Treet Platinum. If I open pack of Gillette, you can see the blade are wrapped in simple paper only. Here we go, very simple packaging, nothing fancy. On the other hand, if I open pack of Treet, I can see they're coming with beautiful packaging, as you can see here, stitch all together. So Gillette is very simple. So if I open a Treet, so you can see it has double packaging, and here is a blade, you can see how it is. And if I open Gillette, it has only one paper. Could be different version, different places you'll have different packaging of Gillette as well. You can see the blade as this. Wow, very sharp, but they look quite similar. Here is Treet and here is Gillette. They look quite similar. Maybe with Gillette you can do more shape, surely, no doubt about that. Maybe normally I do 1 week, that means 7 shave is very easy. Treat maybe 5, it will be better, or 6, but at the first 2, 3, 4 you will feel exactly the same. Only price could be differ, but first 3, 4 shave you will feel exactly the same, guys. Okay guys, this is comparison between Treet and Gillette blade. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.